Hello, today we'll be comparing OVENTE 12 cup drip coffee maker with borosilicate glass carafe versus Braun KF6050WH BrewSense drip coffee maker. Be sure to watch to the end and I will tell you which is better. Links to all the products are in the description, so let's start. Brewing capacity is time. Carafe material, OVENTE is better. Brew strange control, Braun is better. Programmability, Braun is better. Ease of use, OVENTE is better. Water reservoir is time. Cleaning is time. Footprint and design is time. Hidden element, Braun is better. Build quality, Braun is better. Special features, Braun is better. I'm sorry. Sustainability, Braun is better. Price, OVENTE is better. Who is best for it depends on your need. Coffee quality, Braun is better. And durability, Braun is better too. So if you want to get the most powerful durable device that will really taste good making coffee, then the best choice will be the Braun KF6050WH BrewSense drip coffee maker. The link to buy this in the video description.